Discover how to effortlessly load your new template and kickstart your creativity with this easy-to-follow guide. Once you've made your purchase, be sure to keep an eye on your email inbox. In no time, you'll receive an email containing the all-important download link. Open that email, locate the downloadable file, and don't hesitate to click the provided link. In the center of your screen, you will see the template you purchased. While it may look like an editable template, it's simply a preview, a quick glimpse of what's to come. To access the editable template, all you need to do is direct your attention to this button down below. A single click on the Use Template button is all it takes. And there you have it. With a quick click, your template will load into Canva. What's more, it will be automatically saved to your account. It's now prepped and ready, awaiting your creative magic. Now your creative journey awaits. Get started on your edits, bring your ideas to life, and witness your vision unfold before your very eyes. You're all set. Your creative genius is about to shine. Thanks for joining us, and stay tuned for more valuable tips and tutorials.